All right, folks. So I'm in the back end of Landerize right now. It's been my second or third month subscribed, and I've created a few pages, but just gonna take you guys um, on a walk through the back end. So as you know, this was created by Colin Dice of Dice University, and the aim of Landerize is to provide landing page templates specifically for CPA offers and affiliate offers. All right, so check this one out for spins. We have Quizlanders, we have Quizlander here. These are good for push offers. I know for the casino spins, that's kind of good for native ads as well. We have a Facebook compliant quiz. We have a gaming quiz. We have a Nutra VSL, multiple Nutra VSLs. We have the spinners. Spinners are really good, especially with push offers, like get a chance to win a $500 gift card from Walmart and stuff like that. Speaking of Walmart, here's Walmart here. We have the gift box selection. So if you have a push offer with a gift box, um, it would take you to that landing page. So it's kind of geared towards these types of offers. It's really good. Uh, to each their own. Thing is, ClickFunnels, ah, is very. Let's put it this way. It's like the KFC of landing pages. It's like the fast food. Everyone is doing it. Everyone is using ClickFunnels, and it has a high payout as an affiliate program. Fair enough, but it's not. Sometimes I don't think it could take as much traffic as something built specifically for CPA and or affiliate offers. All right, so let us pick and choose one, and so just work with me right here. I am going to pick one. Let's see. E-commerce, skincare, advertorial, utilities. Wow, neutral quiz. Interesting. Morning ritual supercharges your metabolism. All right, let's do this one. I'm gonna call this one the I don't know, the morning morning hold on the morning fat loss spends or something to that extent. One. Let's see. All right, so you with me? I'm testing this on the fly, so I'm just walking you through. All right, morning ritual supercharges your metabolism. Now, check this out. This is very eye-catching, and images like that can be used for native ads. Check this out. I would click on that. I know people will click on that, right? And the interesting thing is you could use it as is. So it's like ready is friendly for CPA offers. And there's also a clickbank offer that is promoting something similar. I'm gonna get the link for it. So if that weight loss conglomerates who make billions in profit from your pain and suffering have been threatening him ever since he revealed his scientific find. To see if this method can also help you, take this quick quiz below. So the quiz um aspect of it enables you to that increases page engagement and all that good stuff. So we have the ability to right now modify the questions. Like, so when I click on the question, let's see, here we go. Here's all the so question one, do you or anyone know work in the diet or weight loss industry? Um, we could edit it here. So we could just put test here. You answer a question, yes, no. So question one, this is a question. Question two, this. So let's see. How do we edit the okay, so the editing of the questions, yes, no, I hope not. So it just takes you through, it progresses. You progress through the questions. Once you click yes, no, I hope not, I'm not sure. All right. Group three question and group four question. So it's quite interesting. All right, so cool. Question two. So let's say question two. Do you believe eating less and exercising more is an effective way to get back into shape? Yes, no, I hope not. So if we click yes, question number three. Does it take you to question number four? I'm not too sure. But I think it prompts you to take the quiz, and I think the quiz is where you go to actually, let's see, when you pop up message content, take the quiz. This is where you get taken to the actual offer after doing the mini quiz. The conversion rate for doing quizzes and health offers is kind of greater because so you're not just taking them straight to the advertorials work, but when you do the quiz and then you take them to the offer, you kind of warm in that lead. They warm already. Okay, so you're taking a cool lead straight from the internet, native ad. They see that image, they click on it. They're already engaged. So when you engage them even further, you warm that lead, quote unquote, even more. After they click that link and they take that little questionnaire, that survey, and then you take them to the offer, so they kind of very warm, and the chances of them converting is kind of increased. Not sure by the exact point percentage, but it increases. Now the other thing is with offers like these, the best way to convert a cold lead is through um email follow-ups. That one is kind of a proven. All right, so let's just finish this. Okay, we're gonna just click through. Okay, here we go. Congratulations. Before you watch this presentation where Bruce will share his fascinating discoveries with you, we have been asked by his team that each person agrees to the following guidelines. Okay, so that's basically pre-formatted. That's all the information. Now you see it's Facebook compliant and compliant with the other native ad networks such as Rev Content and I think Outbrain. They require privacy policy, terms of service, and contact information. So, okay, so check this out. So if I click I agree to watch, this is where you edit the actual let's see, in fact, destination URL. Okay, so this is where you change to the destination URL. Bear with me while I go get that link right now. Just popped into another tab. Right, that offer is just readily. It's a high selling offer on ClickBank at the moment. Bear with me, guys. I'm just grabbing the link from ClickBank, and you could easily get that link. Let's see. If you go to ClickBank, you might not be able to see my screen right now. I don't have what's it called, screencast or um, not Loom, but the other software, Camtasia. So I'm using Nimbus right now. So I'm not able to switch screens at the moment. I'm just in one tab. So you're hearing me, but just bear with me. Bear with me. I'm just grabbing the link, going to the ClickBank marketplace. So I'm just guiding you verbally through it. All right. So when we go to ClickBank, oh man, I'm so tempted to put it in this window. Maybe I should, but bear with me. So we're gonna go to health and fitness and the top. Let's see, research. All right, so I got the link. It is one of the hot offers at the moment. Bear with me. I'm just grabbing the link. Grabbing the link. Uh, with me. With me once again. But yeah. Okay, got the link for it. So this is the link. Um, oh, sorry about that, guys. There we go. So okay, so this is the destination URL. Just grab the ClickBank link. All right, cool. So all links in this landing page have been replaced with the destination URL. Boom. Okay, we're gonna save this. Save in template. This is where you insert the header codes and all that good stuff. And a domain. Let's see. Let's see. Publish. Add new domain. Oh, I have no domains as yet. So, guys, I'm going through this. Um, fresh, fresh eyes. So you on the journey with me. So let's see. When we say publish and add new domain, this is where we go to the domain and we can add a new domain. Oops. This is my info region name, S3 bucket name. So I need to get a domain from Amazon S3 to add to this. Okay, all right, but let's just go back to this. And so see how easy it is to create a landing page once you connect your domain and all that good stuff. And you go to publish. And this is a, how do you call that? A ready-made landing page just for the for CPA offers and affiliate offers as well. Lead pages, ClickFunnels, on the other hand, they're more for lead generation, small businesses, brick and mortar, B2B, B2C, that type of stuff. We see affiliate offers and CPA offers. Yeah, Landerize really helps with that, straight to the point, and it's just niche. So that's their focus, niche focus. All right. So stay tuned for part two of the video where I go through actually setting up the Amazon AWS account and getting a domain on it. All right. Cheers for now. All right. Bye bye.